cuts clear. Danny and Melby got the skills we revere. Raising the pipes while the sun beats down. They're a powerhouse team, wearing that crown. HVAC flows like a thunderous duo. Heating, venting, cooling, keeping it cool. With acetylene and O2 gas, Danny and Melby, they will fix it fast. They will fix it fast. Melby's wire with thermostat, coding it right, while Danny's in the zone, making everything tight. Installing condensers, feeling super heat. Danny's line sets can't be beat. HVAC pros, they mastered every tool. Heating, venting, cooling, keeping it cool. Up in the attics, the ducts they install. Danny and Melby pretty much do it all. Years in the biz, masters in refrigeration. No one can compare, they are the best in the nation. And Melby, they will fix it fast. HVAC flows like a thunderous duo. Heating, venting, cooling, keeping it cool. Up in the attics, the ducts they install. Danny and Melby pretty much do it all. Years in the biz, masters in refrigeration. No one can compare, they are the best in the nation.
Girl, no, I want to be an air conditioning girl. Hello.
Clear.